Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using 4 of these pieces of plank wood from Dollar Tree. They are 4.5 inches by 4.5 inches. I paint them completely with black chalk paint by Waverly. Once they're completely dry, I'm taking these acrylic nail brushes and I'm using 3 different sizes. On the backs of them they have round metal balls and I'm dunking them into plaster chalk paint that's also by Waverly. And then I'm just dotting that paint onto each of the pieces of wood, covering them front, back, and sides. I'm using the 3 different sizes, so you'll get 3 different size dots throughout the whole thing. Next, I'm taking these 2.5-inch wooden letters from Amazon, and I'm painting them with sage colored chalk paint by Folkart. I cover the front and sides of those. I then hot glue 1 to each of the pieces of wood. I then take them and line them up so they spell snow, making sure that they're all going in the same direction and in the right order. I then take some black and white twine that I got from Dollar Tree, hot glue it to the bottom portion of one of the backs. I then string on a white bead that's also from Dollar Tree, and I'm placing it right outside that first piece of plank wood and then up against the next one, so the beads will be in between each one. I then make a line of hot glue across the next piece and add down the twine. And I'm just using my square to get those nice and straight. Again, do the next thing with the next one, adding the bead in between the two, adding hot glue and the twine down. So you'll have 6 beads total. I'm going to do a row on the bottom portion of them and then the top. And then on this last one, I hot glued the twine all the way across that last piece, which I didn't do on the first one, so I have to go back and fix that so it just looks all nice and even. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.